On December 8, 2025, Deputy Lonnie Baker of the Calhoun County Sheriff's Office in Florida, who reportedly issued over 1,000 traffic citations in 2023, saw 3 men working on a disabled car that was partially in the road with its hood up and no license plate visible. The men clarified that they were waiting to have the car towed because it had broken down. Deputy Baker's body camera recorded the subsequent encounter.
Wrong. Just replace the damn PC
the transmission control module messed up. I just put a new one in it.
Right.
And just testing it out, and it's still messed up.
Okay, but you can't you driving it on the side. It can't be on the road.
You just have to drive with it. Just
Yeah, but it can't be on the road. You got insurance on it?
Oh no, it's not mine.
Huh?
It's not mine. It's a guy I'm working for.
Okay. You got a license? You drive it?
I do. Yeah.
You drive it. Okay, but it can't be on the road.
Okay, well, you can prove.
Huh?
Yeah, we pull it back or whatever.
We tow it.
Yeah, we try and get teeth.
No, you're not going to tow it. I'm going to tow it. No. Who's beer?
That's
You can't do that, man.
Yeah, yes, I can. I can take it to jail. What are you talking about? I can't do it.
That ain't my stuff. That's my breath all day long.
What are you talking? What do you?
With the vehicle is 5449.
What do you mean I can't do it? Take your hands out your pocket. Take your hands out your pocket. Okay? Come here. I'm telling you, put your hands on the car. Put your hands on. You know what?
Get your phone out.
Hey, you. I'm record.
You got the phone, man.
Hey, put your hands on the car. I'm telling you, put your hands on the car.
Okay, I ain't got nothing. Chill.
Okay.
Just chill.
I'm just saying, you don't.
Just chill. All I'm doing is working on my car.
Okay,
man.
put your hands on the hood of the car. I'm just making sure. I'm just saying.
Be advised that there is a release notice.
Wait.
Yeah, can we just?
No. Stand right there. You
have to be. It ain't even mine.
No, you want to talk shit though.
No, I don't want to talk shit.
Yes, you do.
I'm bound down. It's all you. That's all you. That's all you. We just working on, man.
8 count.
I mean, that's all.
Hold it. Stand over here.
That's all.
Hey, come here. Stand right there. Stand right there. Stand right over there. Who's trying to give somebody a hard time? I'm trying to give somebody a hard time. No, I'm not trying to give nobody a hard time. You can't have a legal vehicle on the roadway. You can't.
You replace part on it. Like that.
Whose car is it? Whose car is it? No, you wasn't. You get the video. Yeah, you get the video. Everything you said, okay. You wasn't to the video I got. It's all video. I mean, let's see if the tag comes back. Hey, step around here. Step around here. I'm telling you, step around here and keep your hands out your pocket, okay?
I ain't got nothing you want.
No, I don't. No.
So I don't consent to search procedures.
What? I'm not gonna say what. Okay, I'm gonna stand right here. I'll stand right here. I got another deputy to be here in like 15 minutes. Okay.
I'm not resisting.
I know you're not because
I'm complying.
Okay. All right. What's your name? You not gonna give it to me?
Am I being detained?
Yes. Okay. You wanna be? I'll tow the car and I take you to jail for something. I'll find to take you to. What's your name?
Why am I going to jail?
I'll find some.
I haven't did anything.
You got a legal car here. Yes, you do.
I wasn't driving.
Huh?
So it's on.
Okay. Wait till he get here. You going to jail? Okay. I'll take you to jail. I'm gonna take you to jail. Okay. You wanna play hardball? Tonight you've been.
I haven't did anything.
Okay.
I haven't did anything. So you're just making up something.
You can call it what you want to. You going to jail as soon as he gets here. Because you want to run that yapper.
According to Deputy Baker, the car is unlawful since it lacks a license plate. Deputy Baker informs one of the guys that he will find an excuse to throw him in jail because he continues to run his quote-unquote yapper, despite the man's protests that he has done nothing illegal. Furthermore, even though Section 316.605 of the Florida statutes mandates that a car always have a license plate visible when it is being driven, stopped, or parked on a road, the same subsection categorizes the lack of a plate as a non-criminal traffic infraction that is punished as a non-moving violation rather than a crime. Deputy Baker could not have arrested the person for any crime because of the missing tag. Additionally, the First Amendment protected citizen speech because the Supreme Court ruled in the 1987 case of City of Houston versus Hill that the First Amendment protects a wide range of verbal criticism and challenges directed at police officers and at the ability to verbally oppose or challenge police action without running the risk of being arrested is a key distinction between a police state and a free society. A judge might find that the arrest was retaliatory if Deputy Baker fulfilled his promise to throw the man in jail. In the 2019 case of Nevis versus Bartlett, the Supreme Court clarified that the First Amendment forbids government officials from retaliating against someone for using free speech. The court decided that in order for a claim for retaliatory arrest to be successful, the person must demonstrate that there was no probable cause for any offense. However, there is a limited exception for offenses that officers have probable cause to act on but typically decline to enforce by arrest, which allows the claim to proceed when the person provides objective proof that others who committed the same offense but did not engage in similar speech were not arrested. A citation, as opposed to a custodial arrest, would typically be issued for the small non-criminal infringement of missing the tag. Therefore, a court could conclude that Deputy Baker's conduct were retaliatory and thereby violated the First Amendment if he arrested the citizen in reaction to his free speech. Before we go any further, I would want to express my gratitude to Fume, the sponsor of this episode. One thing I've observed is that when you try to stop smoking or vaping, you typically disregard the habit itself in favor of replacing the nicotine. It's not simply the nicotine, in my opinion. It's that small ritual you've carried out many times without giving it a second thought. Particularly when you're feeling anxious or simply want to do something. This explains why so many people find it difficult to give up. And for that reason, I find Fume's music concept to be really intriguing. A flavored air device called Fume was created to assist individuals quit in a unique way. When such habit-based cravings arise, you have an alternative to turn to instead of switching from one nicotine product to another. It feels shockingly, music, substantial in your palm because it is composed of actual wood and metal. The weight was the first thing that caught my attention. In fact, it feels like a high-end item. Because of how really pleasurable the fidget factor is, I also found myself toying with it all the time. Music, another surprise was the mint flavors. They provided me a slight throat hit and left my breath feeling clean. Music, Fume doesn't contain batteries, vapor, or nicotine. More than 1 million people have previously utilized Fume, music, to quit in a different way, and third-party polls found it to be twice as effective as other available quit aids. You will receive a complimentary Fume, music, topper with code Audit when you purchase a Journey Pack. To begin right now, visit tryfume.com/audit or scan the QR code, music, on your screen. Once again, I'd like to thank Fume for sponsoring this episode.
Hey, you got your phone with you?
Hey, no, don't. Look, I'm gonna put you in my car. You want to sit in my car? You want to sit in my car? So be quiet. I'm telling you to be quiet. I'm telling you to be quiet.
Is that lawful order?
Huh? Yes, that's lawful order.
I haven't did anything. I'm doing nothing nefarious.
Now let's see. You want to run that yapper now? Okay, you can run that yapper.
I mean, just because
Okay.
there's another deputy here, that's
Okay.
I mean, I haven't did anything.
No. I asked you what your name was. You not gonna give me your name?
I haven't did anything.
Okay. All right.
Do you suspect me of crime?
Yes, I do.
Well, what?
I do.
What?
Stand right there. Keep it. Put your hands so I can see them. Okay.
You have my hands
okay.
right here?
Okay. Put your hands up. Okay.
What do you suspect me of?
Hey, will you watch it? You know his name.
What crime do you suspect me of committing?
Oh.
I haven't did anything.
Okay. You won't give us your name? Okay, that's good.
I haven't did anything.
Okay. You just stand right there then. Okay.
So,
I'm towing the car. So I'm towing the car. Got a tow truck on the way.
for what reason?
That's what, and guess what? There's no tag on it. There's no tag on it.
Brother,
It can't be on the road. It can't be on the roadway.
So we had to go get a battery. Get somebody to jump us the fuck off. That's it.
We was in the process of towing it.
I got them beer in that damn thing. It's not even ours. You can test both our breaths. Shit.
Okay, I'm gonna see.
One of the males accepts to take a breathalyzer test and clarifies that the alcohol that Deputy Baker discovered inside the car does not belong to them. According to Section 316.1936 of the Florida statutes, it is illegal to have an open container of alcohol or to drink alcohol while driving, sitting in or on a motor vehicle that is parked or stopped on a road, or riding as a passenger in a vehicle that is being driven. The first two statutory situations are eliminated since the vehicle in this case was inoperable rather than in use. The third is eliminated because the video depicts the men working on the car from outside during the interaction rather than sitting in or on it. The beer can that Deputy Baker found inside the disabled car does not violate the open container statute because it only forbids the possession of an open container when a vehicle is being driven or when the person in possession of the container is seated in or on a motor vehicle stopped on the road. Therefore, a judge would probably find that the males were not guilty of an open container charge because the beer can was inside the car.
Okay, I'm just saying. I get a tow truck. I'll tow it.
Here it is. Here's the tag. Ain't that something?
Hey, it's expired.
That's at 12/25. But that's the end of the month. That's the going to go to the end of the month.
Hey, it's expired. That ain't the tag for the. That's not the tag for the car.
Why it ain't?
I just ran it. That ain't the tag. Since you know,
What they say?
that ain't the tag. That ain't the tag for it. That's not the tag for it. I'm not gonna argue with you. I'm towing it. I'm towing it. Yes, sir. The driver, the woman's driving. Where's it? The one that was driving it. Let's see. Yes, sir. You was driving it. What's your name?
Huh?
What's your name?
Robert.
What's first name?
Robert.
Okay. Robert.
Well, I'm gonna need badge number.
Okay, you get my badge number. Yeah, I'm the only black guy at the sheriff department. That'd be easy to get. Okay. All right. Go ahead. Robert what?
Gillette.
Okay. Now, I don't care about you knowing my name. You can get my name. Everybody can. Okay. Good then. All right then. Well, that don't faze me none. What's your middle name?
Middle name? What you need? My middle name is Gillette. Last name's Gillette.
Spell it.
Goulet. Goulet.
G-L-U-L-O-T.
Goulet.
G-O-U.
Mm-hmm. L-E-T.
L-E-T. What's your middle name?
A W.
For what?
Lonnie's.
Oh, okay. That's what I don't know your middle name.
I understand that. You don't need all that to look it up.
Yes, I do. I'm asking your name. You the driver? I mean, what's your date of birth?
Nobody was driving. It was
Look here. Am I talking to? Am I talking to you?
It was
Am I? Step up here. I'm not. Can I step up here? Step up here and talk to me. I don't
have to see you separated from people. Just
okay.
a number.
De-escalate.
No. Guess what? The first name, I'm not talking to you.
De-escalate. Calm down.
Guess what? Can you? You don't know what that means. You don't know what that means. You don't know that. You don't.
I do.
No, you don't.
Believe it.
No. What's your date of birth? Okay, that's it.
Thank you, sir.
All right, that's it.
Are we still being detained?
No, y'all can go. I'm towing the car. Y'all can go. Bye. Y'all can go.
Well, hook the strap up.
Hook the strap up to what? No, not the car. The car being towed.
Let me get your badge over there. Lonnie?
What?
Get your badge number, partner.
Oh, well, we don't have a badge number.
You don't got badge number.
Look at my look at that. Do you see? That's my badge. You see a number on that?
Y'all got to have some kind of
No, we don't. Come on. You know my name. You know my name. I ain't trying to put. We don't. Ain't no. You know my name. That's all you need. That's all. We don't have no badge number. Hey, guy. Hey, you ain't gotta talk to him. It's not his car.
I can talk to anybody.
No, you can't. Hey, tow it. No, it ain't. No, he's towing the car. Look here. No, we're not. You need to leave. You need to leave. You need to leave. No,
I'm working on.
No, it's not yours. It's not yours. He's towing it. His car.
He's towing it to my house.
No, he's not.
Yes, he is.
No, he's not. No, he's not. Hey, sir. Hey, it's going to impound. It's going to impound. I call Terry. Hey, sir. It's going to impound. It's going to y'all. Okay.
No, Deputy Baker tells the tow truck driver to send the car to the impound lot when one of the guys requests that it be driven to his house so he may continue working on it. The Supreme Court acknowledged the community caretaking function in the 1976 case of South Dakota versus Opran, wherein the removal and impounding of a vehicle is justified when its location or condition endangers public safety or the orderly flow of traffic. This includes an officer's power to tow a vehicle from a public road. Now, removing the car from the road would fulfill a legitimate community caretaking role because it was disabled and partially blocking the road, and the guys were unable to drive it away legally due to the lack of a valid tag. Based on this, a judge might determine that Deputy Baker had the right to order its removal without going against the Fourth Amendment. However, this authority is only as broad as the underlying caretaking justification that underpins it, and it is permissive rather than mandatory. The car would have been removed off the road just as successfully as an impound if the men had set up their own tow to a private spot. This means that without placing the car in police custody, the community caretaking goal that might have supported impoundment could have been satisfied. Even if a court were to find that Deputy Baker had the right to remove the inoperable automobile off the road, it is crucial to remember that he was not required by law to impound it, and that he was free to let the men to tow it as they requested.
He's something else, Eddie. He told he's going to. It's not going to. I told it's going to the 2 yard.
You didn't see the busted meth pipe laying out there?
He said it was what? What they do?
They're laying out there in the wood line, busted.
Okay, but we can't. I mean, that's.
I know you can't. You can't charge with that.
Right, but.
You got the keys to it?
Huh?
No, they took the keys to it.
Hey, let them keep charging for that. You can charge for all that. Hey.
I can put a lock on it.
Huh?
Yeah.
I can put a lock. I won't have to drag it.
Do whatever you got to do. Charge him. Guess what? I mean, it's all because that's he won't
drag it up there. That's fine.
Okay.
Drag it.
Okay. I mean, whatever you got to do and charge him for it. I mean, it's not their car. They can't come get it. This lady's got to come get it. When I give you the name, she got to come get it. She's out of Orange.
They got in their tag or nothing.
You know, it's out of Orange Beach. It's out of Orange Beach. So guess what? Y'all will probably end up with it. You know what I'm talking about? So that's what he's worried about. That's why he's mad. He wants to this place. And I told him no. Come on.
I'm saying like I told him, y'all got control of the situation.
Yeah. So it's your car. It's you towing it.
Let me get in and all that.
Okay.
Should have pulled him over and gave him tickets for riding in bed.
I mean, they like, bro. They cussing me and all that stuff. I mean, go.
Swear, Lonnie. Shit, you get me wrapped up in.
Turn you off cameras included. Cameras.
Deputy Baker instructed the other deputy there to switch off the cameras as the interaction came to a close. Despite the men's protests, Deputy Baker had the disabled car towed to impound. Nevertheless, the men were not taken into custody and were finally told they could leave. Overall, Deputy Baker receives a failing grade for threatening to put a citizen in jail in retaliation for his protected speech, refusing to let the men remove the disabled car and instead impounding it, and managing the interaction at such a frantic and agitated pace that it was hard to understand what he was saying. Deputy Baker threatened to put one of the individuals in jail after he asserted that he had done nothing illegal. The threat was directly linked to the citizen's continuous speech. Threatening to arrest someone for verbally challenging or criticizing an officer creates major First Amendment concerns, especially when the underlying behavior seems to be restricted to a small misdemeanor that would not normally necessitate custodial imprisonment. The choice to seize the car was also dubious. Police towing power is usually based on a community caretaking rationale, like clearing the route, even if removal was within Deputy Baker's jurisdiction. In this case, the impound seemed needless and punitive rather than operationally necessary because the men had already organized their own tow, which would have settled the matter without police custody. And beyond that, Deputy Baker's voice was quick, loud, and aggressive to the point that his orders were difficult to follow. And as the interaction came to an end, he gave the other deputy instructions to switch off the cameras at the exact moment that a full record would have been most crucial. The difference between what an officer is legally allowed to do and what reasonable discretion demands is shown by this exchange. Additionally, it is possible to turn a tiny incident into a number of preventable constitutional issues by handling a regular roadside issue with excitement and threats of jail instead of tolerance and restraint. Now the men, they earn an A- for declining to consent to a search and verbally challenging Deputy Baker's methods while staying physically submissive. However, by frequent arguments and foul language, they did contribute to the interaction becoming more heated than it needed to be. When the prospect of a search was raised, the men properly refused consent, which is a clear exercise of their Fourth Amendment rights and their continued questioning of Deputy Baker, including demanding to know what crime was suspected and challenging the threat of jail that constituted protected First Amendment expression that officers are required to tolerate so long as it does not interfere with lawful duties or amounts to obstruction. However, the constant back-and-forth arguments and foul language did not help the case legally. Rather, they made it more tense overall and caused more friction in an already tense situation. Even though such speech is still guaranteed by the Constitution and does not in and of itself warrant escalation or unfavorable legal repercussions, a more composed and measured answer would have preserved their rights equally while lowering the possibility of a confrontation with an irate officer. Nevertheless, throughout the exchange, the men's criticism and refusal to comply remained firmly within constitutional rights, and none of their behaviors exceeded the line into illegal behavior. Many thanks to Fume for supporting this video. If you would like us to talk about any interactions or legal matters, please let us know in the comments section below.